Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be continuing with our Lego Peugeot 9x8 Lego Technic build. And let me make sure I'm on the step that I think we're on. Yep. Okay. So here is the step that page that we're on. And we'll be putting it on the car. So let's go ahead and move the car kind of over. Oops. Okay. Need another one. It looks like two of these go in. I can stop throwing pieces around. Okay, there we go. And we need stickers. 21. You're gonna need 2 of them, but focus on this for now. Sticking to me more than the piece. Okay. There's that. And if we're looking at it like this, it goes like this. This is gonna go in here, I think. Somewhere like that. But anyway, basically doing the exact same step, but putting it over here. Okay, let's get our 19 stickers. That might have been a little bit right, but it's okay. That was also a little bit right. Okay. There we go. And now slides in there and over here. These 2 go in and down here. Really make sure this is a stable piece. Yep. I think 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Let's flip the page and on to our next step. So there's that. You can see the 7s go on either side. And there you go. I can't even tell what this is asking me to do, but we'll figure it out. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need 2 of those. They're right? Yep. Okay. Now we're on are those L pieces. So we need 2 of them. And looking at it like this, blue goes in the top here. And then this goes there. Okay, and what's it? Where is it? Like that. Okay. And then on this one, need the same thing. But over here, they kind of move, so I wonder what connects to them. These do too. But how's it doing that? So on to the next page. Looks like we're doing something else, so we can move the Peugeot out of the way. So there's that. And the next page, 420. Okay, so we need a 9. This might be more than 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 11. Is it gray? No, it's black. I usually don't have trouble finding these. Maybe this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 9. Okay. So on this one, we need 1 in the 4th. And this one? Yeah. Okay. So we can set that to the side because we need that piece. Not that piece. Oh, we need 2 of them. Great. Okay. Then this goes through. I think just to there, though. And this piece? Nope. Like that. Okay, now I need 2 more of these. Connected by a black piece. Oh, oops. Okay, so it looks like I messed that up. Don't know how I messed it up, but I did. Okay. No, like this. Okay. I don't know why it was so hard for me. So now little red pieces go in here. If I can, there we go. Interesting. Okay, now the long blues go halfway in here. Okay, on to the next page. And that's where it goes. And it looks like we are putting on another sticker on the back. So let's get to it. So how's it go? There we go. Okay, I have no idea. There we go. Oh. There we go. Okay, got it in. Okay. So now we need to need that piece. What else do we need? Just need a tile piece and another one of those. That. I'm actively looking for the other piece. Where are you? There you are. Okay, so looking at it like this, so it's 23. I just took the sticker off camera. My bad if someone wanted to see that. Okay. There we go. And it just snaps on here. That might be the least stable piece on this car, because this thing is a tank. I bet whenever I finish it, I could drop it and it wouldn't break. I'm not going to drop it though, but I bet I could. Anyway, here's the next step. We're adding diffuser pieces and adding more of the diffuser, I guess. So here's this. Does it matter? No, they're the same. There's that. Where's the other one? There it is. Good. There's that done. Now we need what pieces are they? This? They are these. If I can quit dropping them. So 21 goes on this side. And 22 goes on the other side. And whenever I say that, the book says 21 and 22. And if you look there, you can see a 22. Again, these pieces might fall off if I were to drop it. All right, on to the next page. We are adding our last set of taillights. And the next page is the same thing, but on the other side. Let's get to it. A little sneak of the next page. We might start that. So let's push that out of the way a bit. Okay. Okay. So first up is 21. There's that. Okay. I assume it goes here. I assumed correctly. Okay, and the next one is the exact same, but on the other side, so. Almost messed that up. Sorry about that. All right. Oh, I forgot to put the little blue pieces in. Okay, there's our little blue pieces, and it goes in there. Okay. There's the taillights done. Let's push that, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and start this next. There's that, and that. Okay, so we need, looks black, because it is black. We need this piece, and red studs to go in every other hole here, like that. And now we need these kinds of pieces to go in the end, maybe. But we need 4 of them. That's not one. There's 2. There's 3. And 4. There we go. So now we need to spin it around. Put blacks in the ends. There we go. Okay, and now we get to put on a big sticker. The Peugeot sticker. Okay. No pressure. No pressure because there was no pressure. That was actually really good. Okay. So we need 2 of these and these 2 pieces. So looking at it like this, we need 71 first. And I think this is 71. Yep. So it goes like this. Goes all the way through. And now we need 70 on this side. There we go, perfect. I mean, I guess I can do that, but as much as I want to continue, I'm gonna have to end the episode there. But if you enjoyed that and want to see more of the Peugeot 9X8 be built, go ahead and subscribe, comment, like, all that fun stuff, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.